Aufasi sakat maino kantre. Hallo dan zeggen ons wat die goed voor zeggen. Ja, niet waarom vat ik.
Bogdanstraat, né? Sinto muito aquilo não.
Ucabanga ukuthi nginobani? Ngino-Achuzi or ngino-Madam? Hayi. Ngino-Madam.
Bethunana indoda mayinibheje i-girlfriend allowance ibalulekile bethunana ayibo imali phambili bafazi ba and then also indoda mayibe dark, tall and handsome.
Molweni bafethu, I hope everybody's doing great. Wherever you're watching this video from, it is Salute Lapho. Welcome back to your favorite channel. I hope you're having a great weekend so far, bafethu. Mine is going great. We are back again with the best eMzansi. Let's go.
Uyabona udayisela ugogo le phone le ngekalingeni izulu. Uyabona lapha emadrobheni niyakhanga ngempela ugogo uyabuya uthi usethenge i-iPhone. Hawu mayifake i-SIM card ugogo awu. Into yokudlala nje lena ikhala phakathi ingoma zoPopayi. Hayi ngene libone izulu bafuna bami.
Black Friday ngoku kanye kwenzeka ntoni? Aphosa Black Friday.
Do you guys know what's going on here? Have they told you what's going on?
No, this is what's going on. I'm not a gossiper, you see, but I can see I'm working this side.
They say police kill someone.
Police kill someone, yeah.
200,000.
Bahluke. Uzochisa fondini.
Lo 120 lo imali ye weekend. Lo 100 rand ngizothenga amabhiya awu4 nenkawuza. Lo 20 rand lo ngizothengela intombazane ikota ka 10 rand bese ngiyipha u10 rand okugibela. Ikahle kahle lo 20 rand u20 rand wemomozi lo. Wona 20 rand le ngizothenga ngawo imomozi lo.
Ikota ye 10 rand.
Guys, ke tlo my friend. Ke rekile Lucky Star le di-beans mara a ke tlhaloganye gore di-beans ke tse feng tlhapi ke feng no ne ke reka ya tlhapi mara o ka re go feleletsa ka pele di-beans ande di-beans tsene ke re ke di bula ka osane fru guys ke ire bang yo.
Hi Mimi, I'm Agnes Duli from South Africa. I'm 64 years. I'm still searching for a God-fearing man from 65 to upwards. I will be able to relocate. I'm working as an entrepreneur. I'm a widower. Thank you.
Oh.
Legend.
Second abagla situation a few years back. I know how it feels, brah. Yo.
GD6 2.8.
Bala into ezingahlanganiyo. Yo.
Hi. I'm in the taxi right now. I'm coming to visit my cousin in Ocean View, but she didn't forward the address to me, so I'll just ask the driver. Maybe he knows the address. Driver, do you know where the poor people live? He gave me a thumbs up, so I'll be getting off at my Nachit's place. Bye. Toodles, tomorrow weer gezien.
Yung gabi, ang sakit sa may pegil. Ayan, isang gaga. Hey, bo. Upegil naman ngayon ninyama yung kuko. Uy, ma. Ilona.
Waleli zawuqobanga Jehova. We.
Yabambisa ke nayo leya.
还是叫我还那话都地方跟你们还天天用被摸还是我还厉害还在做话吧进来，风仔的，谁
My new wife.
Dolofia. Ufike
ukuthi manje angazi ukuthi uqonda ukuthini kahle kahle. Ngiyazama bandla ukuhlanganisa amfina. Iyona phathi engididayo le ukuthi futhi kahle kahle njalo ke wena mawukhuluma uhlezi ufaka amfina yufina amfina angisazi manje kufinywani mina. Yazi. Hey Nkosi yami. Ngizothi mawukhuluma bandla ukhulume ilanguage eqondile ngikuzwe ngoba manje either ukhuluma isiZulu ezizwakalayo noma ukhulume English le yaziwayo Nkosi yami le sayifunda esikoleni ngoba manje angikuzwa mina amfina sorry.
Yo. Igridi la play umayo.
Uyangixaka yazi ubuqala utyipha ilithadi pha kula flat yakho pha uqale ukhishwa nje spare uyaqala ukwazi nobona no spare ngosomxelela ngegagakazi zothabisa ngabazama ngamakhwenkwe aphi lawo
ngizoyibuyisa imali yakho ngawari imali ngani
jonga ke into efuna ukundenzela yona ndifuna ubuyisana la Steve bendikuthengele yona ubuyela kwabaphaqa bakho berelay uhlala ubanxiba nokunetha imvulu yeva Yes, uzonyela ba uwa man ngicela unyawa uyabona ngoku jonga ngoku uyabona mamela jonga uyabona ngubani ixesha ngoku ndifuna ukuthi kubetha abo 8 zibe za All Star ziphendlini
ufuna All Star yakho
ndifuna All Star yami ndifuna All Star yami
uzenzani ngayo
la sento ithengisa nokusendlele uyiqalisa noma kusendlele andinika amaphara aphendleleni aka udeserve mawuthi awudeserve man ungusatanakazi yazi Dewe man yazi nje webe ndikuthembe ngakhona man yazi into ozenzayo man ngathi udinga amasiko
Hamba uthenga ama-sweet uzoba right
Ama-sweet andoni
Angithi manje yalo hamba uthenga ama-sweet uzoba right ungawazi
Hey ndikholelwa ke le into le
Hi So she didn't know spare She didn't know spare uwe umuntu uthi spare
ngendlela endibona ngayo kusho ukuthi ndimbindi lo spare
hayi jani bayiphula inhliziyo yona xutha kwanto ezayo ele show ingathi ya-actwa mana actwa le show I hope you enjoyed today's video bafethu until the next one sure